Do you find yourself working on lots of different applications during work? So you may be going through watching YouTube tutorials, then flipping between two or more Excel documents, and then going into Word, and then before you know it, your desktop is very cluttered. But hold fire, what I'm going to show you is a really good way to have a separate desktop for possibly your web browsing, another desktop created just for your Excel spreadsheets, another desktop for your Word documents where you can write your reports. But before I do continue, please like, subscribe and share. So I've got my desktop open up here, and on this desktop I've got my web browser with my RA Solutions channel. If you want to subscribe and like this video, please do so. I've got my Excel documents, I've got two opened here. I've also got a Word document open up here. But did you know in Windows 11, if you go down into the taskbar, this is what you call the taskbar. On the right of the magnifying tool here is this option here. So at the moment I'm in desktop 1, and in this desktop 1 I've got all these apps showing. But if I hover over this icon here, I've got an opportunity to add a new desktop. If I click on new desktop, I can open up a new desktop, which is this desktop here. Now within this desktop, I want to possibly use this desktop where I do my web browsing. So I can open up my web browser, and then what I can do is open up a further new desktop here. And in this desktop, which is desktop 3, I can possibly open up the Word documents. So all my Word document, anything I do with Word is going to be done on this specific desktop here. So I can open up and do all my Word documentation in here. I may open up a fourth desktop here called desktop 4. Oh, click on it. And then this one, I will do my Excel spreadsheets. Okay, so my Excel spreadsheets will be done all in desktop 4. But if I wanted to go back to do my browsing, I know I can do that. Click on my virtual desktop option here, go back to my desktop 2, and I can do my web browsing there. Go in here. If I wanted to do my Word documentation, do that in desktop 3. If I wanted to do my Excel, I can do that in my desktop 4. So it helps you keep more organized, so you are not frazzled by switching through different apps on your same desktop, and it makes your computer look nice and organized. But never forget, those desktops will remain open, so you can switch back and forth. Hope this video has helped you. Please like, subscribe and share.